Hey guys, so welcome back to another Creating Squishy Tag Wednesday. By the way, today's not Wednesday, today's Thursday. Yesterday I didn't film because I was studying for my exam today, for today's exam. But yeah, so for today but I'm still gonna be saying Creating Squishy Tag Wednesday because I want to film again, you know. But today I'm gonna be doing the Wish Squishy Tag, and obviously it's created by me because it's Creating Squishy Tag Wednesday. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first question is a squishy you wish was your pillar if it was real. And I chose this already monkey cake because if this I'm just gonna like zoom in, sir. And if this was real, and it's gonna be so soft and it will be really nice if it was your pillow. It's gonna be so comfortable. And it's also super squishy, so that's by a reedy monkey cake, and this is a reedy monkey cake. And if this was my pillow, it would be so comfortable. So yeah. The next question is a squishy a squishy you wish that it didn't got defective but it got like some cracks. And I chose this cinnamon roll, and I got this on Christmas and I didn't want it to get defected, but since I squished it a lot, it got some cracks. And sorry for the bad lighting, but yeah, here's the tag. But it's super squishy, so yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish that has a tag, and I chose this Hello Kitty dorayaki. The reason why I want this to have a tag because it just has like a stretchy rubber tag there. And if they sell Hello Kitty replica dorayakis and it has a tag, I will definitely buy that even though it's expensive. But yeah, I just really want this to have a tag, so yeah. The next Sorry, my friend texted me. The next question is a squishy that you wish was a real drink and you can just drink it right away. And I chose this milk because this is the only drink squishy I think in my collection. But if I have more drinks, I think I'll choose this because it's super cute and it's also pretty squishy. And if this was a real drink, because I like milk and this is a strawberry milk. I don't really like strawberries, but like just a little bit though, to be honest. So yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish that was licensed, and I chose this Capbarson cupcake. This is the replica one, and if this was licensed, I would definitely buy it because I love licensed squishies because you can see like when they are reproduced and if they're reproduced or not. But I think it's the replica one, so because I already can tell, I think. But I don't even know this is the replica one, but it looks like one, so. But yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish was an I Am Tokyo squishy, but even though like they don't make it, if that makes sense, I chose this macaron squishy. I really want to have an I Am Tokyo squishy, but I didn't have like a single I Am Tokyo squishy. And I wish if they make I Am Tokyo squishies that are macarons, I wish they make this. But this is a common one. But I wish they make I Am Tokyo squishies like this. And here's a keychain. So yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish was a Hello Kitty squishy you wish was like in a box. If you've seen like squishy YouTubers, they have like Hello Kitty donuts like in a box, and inside is like a Punimar foam. And I definitely chose this Hello Kitty donut because I really want this to be in the box because it's super cute and it's rising and it's perfect for the box. So and this the tag. So yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish was a real fruit and you can just eat it right away. Whoa! And I chose this banana. I know it's pink, but if this was yellow, I'll definitely eat it. so squishy, and I did got this as a trade from my friend. So yeah, it's super squishy, and I love bananas. So yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish was a cafe and squishy, and I chose this soft serve ice cream because if this was a cafe and squishy, I love because I have a cafe and squishy that's an ice cream, and I really want to have it. So and even jumbo. So yeah. The next question is a squishy you wish was a more squishier than a dense position, and I chose this lovely sweet Hello Kitty popcorn. It's dense, and I wish this was a lot more squishier than this kind. But it's so cute though. The second to the last question is a squishy you wish was a real food and you can just eat it right away. And I chose this Sammy donut. Here's the tag. If this was real, I'll definitely eat it because I haven't eaten a donut for like weeks. I have no idea why. But yeah. Last question is a squishy you wish it was your real pet, and obviously it's gonna be this hamster that I trade with my friend. But it's not Kelly. Because I love hamsters and I wish this was just my real pet. So yeah, that's the wish squish tag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!